Cody at Mers Farm Equipment, here to show you the brand new Ferris mower here, the 6200 Ferris Cat Turbo Diesel with 48 horsepower. Alright, this Ferris has pretty much all the same things as your regular one with your independent suspension, your suspension seat, with your dual tanks on your bigger models. But this bad boy has a few more accessories. You got your monitor here to check your PTO, which separates your motor to your PTO running time. It shows your RPMs to your settings. It gives you a list to go through here. It's everything you need to know about the machine. With this machine being so big, you got the same suspension but dual shocks on the back. Here you got an easy flip up hood lever, pop it like that. Shows your Cat diesel engine with your turbo. Like I said, pulling out 48 horse from this bad boy. Also, another nice feature is on your deck lift. You set your deck height that you wanted here, pull your lever up when it's running. It's a hydraulic deck lift. Pretty easy for someone that's having trouble with your foot lever. All you gotta do is pull a knob, it sets to your adjustment. Come out and check this thing for your own self, because this bad boy is something to see.